We're here tonight at Lakeside Kia to present the Women on Wheels workshop. Women on Wheels is a community-run event and we're teaching ladies across 5 different workstations how to maintain their car and what happens when their Kia vehicle gets serviced. The Kia Customer Visual Guide. It's actually an app or a website that the dealership can access. Click on the engine here, and it's great that Kia can actually invest in these technologies to help out.
The night's been really exciting. It's great to learn different aspects of the car.
One of the best things I've learnt tonight is how to change a tyre.
Learning underneath the car, something you don't get to see every day. I can't wait to see what else is to come tonight.
I'm really liking it.
New cars or older cars, even just a little bit of low pressure will cause the car to pull to one side. The fuel goes into these, you can see where it's going down.
I think it's really important for all ages. These ladies are trusting their lives behind a wheel, and to know more about the vehicle that they're driving is very beneficial, particularly in a breakdown situation.
It makes you feel a lot more independent in a way, because you can travel and now know that if you break down with a flat tyre, you've got it covered.
With the skills I've learned tonight, I'd be able to change a tyre, I'd be able to check oil levels.
These skills are definitely skills I can put forward every day in real life.
If you're driving the car, you need to know what it's doing.
The more informative we are, the better generations will be of drivers.
What I like about the Kia brand is that they're reliable.
Once I finished uni, new car, no, they look great.
My sister loves her Kia and she's so grateful that they've put this night forward so that we can all benefit from it.
Kia, I think, are becoming one of the strongest car brands out there, and I think to be able to give something back, I think it's really good.
We hold Women on Wheels workshops all around Australia, so to attend your next event, visit kia.com.au.